hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. Now this, I promise, has to be the last book haul before Christmas because it's becoming a serious issue. I thought, do you know what would be a really good video idea? Let me buy some books from Amazon and I'm not going to open them until they come so I can open them on camera. But then I kind of realised that I've ordered like a lot of books from Amazon to the point where Amazon have this thing where you get free delivery when you spend £10. So I had to buy multiple books at a time. So this is quite a few books here. I'm really excited to dive in because I can't really remember what books I've ordered. I've bought these over the past 2 to 3 weeks, so I'm so excited to dive in. But yes, as I said, this has to be the last book haul before Christmas because I am becoming seriously out of my depth with how many books I need to read. I think I'm going to be at about 60 books on my TBR, so it's becoming quite uncontrollable. So without further ado, I am going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So I'm literally just going to grab them at random, but I'm going to try my best not to flash my address on camera. So where is the opening thing? The only exciting thing about this is I feel like opening on camera is just really satisfying. Is it just me? I don't know. But anyway, let's open the first box and see what's inside. Okay, there's 2 books in this one. Okay, I'm really excited about these. So these are the other 2 books in the Inheritance Games series. So we've got the Hawthorne Legacy and also the Final Gambit, which kind of... How annoying is it that it's not in Mirror Gold on that one? Do you know what I mean? Like, why is the title not? Anyway, these are the last 2 books. I bought the Inheritance Games. I haven't read that book yet, I'm not gonna lie, so I don't really know too much of what it's about, but I thought I'd pick up the other 2 in the series, so now I have the full collection. You guys know me, I'm very much a collection kind of gal. If I buy one, I have to buy them all. I don't know what it is about me. I'm just a little bit obsessed. So these are the first 2 books I bought, and these were... I can't remember how much these were on Amazon. They're £9 each normally, but I think I paid probably £6 for each of these, if that makes sense. So £12 for both. So an absolute bargain. So I picked those up, and I'm really excited to give those a read. I can finally dive into the series. So those were the first 2 that I picked up. I'm already getting pins and needles. This is going to be a problem. I can't feel my foot. Okay, we're just going to continue. Next up we have this little one, so let's open it. Where is the opening? Right where the address is, so we're just gonna have to do it this way. God. Okay. The exciting part about this is really just opening them, to be honest, because I love opening parcels. We have got... Okay, I'm really excited about this. This is Throttled by Lauren Asher, and this is book 1 in the Dirty Air series. I have heard so much about this series that I have to buy all the others, so I'm going to ask for them for Christmas. Oh, the pages are white. That's very nice. Very nice and crisp, and it's got a good flop to it. If you like a good book, you'll know what I mean. But essentially, this one's about Maya and Noah, and all I know about this series is that it's about Formula 1 drivers, and that's basically it. So I'm really excited to give this a read. The cover is absolutely stunning. I love the look of this, and it's got a really nice matte feel to it, so I love that. Again, price wise, I'm not sure how much this one is. Because I ordered it on its own, I think it was probably about £10. So yeah, really excited about this. I'm gonna give it a read soon, and I like the fact that it's got white pages. I feel like a lot of books nowadays have kind of paper pages. Does that make sense? Obviously it's paper, but like more of a creamy colour. But I like the fact that this has white pages. So yeah, really excited about this. So love that. Next up, we're gonna go for this one. This is another one which I think just has the 1 inside. Again, I don't really remember what I've been buying, to be honest, but that's why it's exciting. What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, I already bought this book. Okay, so I'm gonna have to return the other one. I literally bought this from Waterstones today. Why am I so stupid? This is why I need to stop buying books, because I forget what I've already ordered. But this is The Dead Romantics. I'm not really sure what this one is about. I know this one is £3 on Amazon because I actually looked earlier and I thought, oh, I spent like £9 on a book in Waterstones. yeah, I'm gonna have to return it because I've already bought it. So why am I so dumb? This is why I need to stop buying books. Anyway, I'm really excited about this one. I will say, I don't think the cover... Is the cover exactly the same? Maybe it is. I'm really not sure. But anyway, this is The Dead Romantics. I'm excited to give it a read. I have no idea what it's about. But now I have 2 copies. So I'm going to have to return the other one. But yes, that is the next one I picked up. Next up, we have this one. And I feel like there is definitely more than one book in here. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I feel like that is real karma for me from buying the same book. That's not even the first time that that's happened to me. That's happened to me twice now. So the next book we have is Hook, Line and Sinker by Tessa Bailey. If you guys watched my October reading wrap-up video, you will know that I read the It Happened One Summer book and I absolutely loved it. So I'm really excited to give this one a read as well. It looks to be, yeah, exactly sort of the same amount of pages pretty much. So I'm really, really looking forward to it. And this one is about Piper's sister. So I'm so excited to continue with this series. And yeah, I'm so excited. So that is Hook, Line and Sinker. And the next one in the packaging is this one. This is Beautiful Graves by LJ, I think it's Shen. And this one looks absolutely stunning. I will say it is a little bit damaged on the back, which causes my OCD to skyrocket. However, I am really, really excited to give this one a read. And it says on the back, they say first loves are oftentimes the end of one's innocence. Those words couldn't ring any truer for Evelyn Lawson, whose first brush with romance came with a heartbreak, and the thing that seems to follow her everywhere she goes, death. Very excited about this. I feel like this would have been a perfect October read, but I'm really looking forward to this one. This one has, let's see, 300 odd pages. I'm really, really looking forward to it. The cover of this is just beautiful, so that is enough to make me want to read it. So I picked up this one as well. And last but by no means least, we have this big one. I still can't get over the fact that I bought that book today. And I picked up again. Honestly, I can't get over it. Anyway, the last one we have is, there's multiple in here. I can't remember what they are, so let's dig one out at a time. They're probably going to be a series, but I'm not sure. Okay, no, they're not. I think I remember what they are now. So the first one is Attachments by Rainbow Rowell, I think it's called. And this one, I believe, is about a kind of work environment. I think this guy reads the emails between 2 work friends, and that's all I know about it. So I've picked up Attachments. This one is actually for a really exciting collab that I'm doing next year, which I will be announcing at the start of December. So keep your eyes out for that, especially if you like book club vibes. So yeah, keep your eyes out for that one. But yeah, that one is on the list for that. I also have Unite Me from the Shatter Me series. I have been itching to get my hands on this because I haven't been able to continue the Shatter Me series simply because I have not had this book in my grasp. So I picked this one up. This is actually 2 novellas. So this is Destroy Me and Fracture Me. So I'm hoping actually I might try and read Destroy Me really soon and then move on to, I think, is it Unravel Me? I think Unravel Me's after that, and then you move on to Fracture Me. So this is like a 2-in-1 novella, so it's 1.5 and 2.5. So yeah, I'm really, really pleased to finally have this in my collection because now I can finally continue the series, which I have been dying to do for a very long time. Next up we have, oh, okay, yeah, another one for my collaboration next year. Again, a little bit damaged, but it's okay. This is The Lost Apothecary by Sarah Penner, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a lot smaller than I thought, which actually pleases me a lot because I feel like sometimes massive books really just give me the ick and I'm not a fan, even though I know that the other one in here is a massive book. But I've heard a lot of good things about this, and also can we just talk about how beautiful that cover is? Absolutely stunning. So I'm so excited to dive into this. I can't remember when I'm going to be reading this, but yeah, I'm absolutely intrigued and it just looks beautiful. Again, not much I can tell you about this book. I'm trying not to read the backs of them because I want to go in blind, but I'm really excited about this one. And last but by no means least, we have Things We Never Got Over by Lucy Score. This book has been on my Amazon wishlist for a very long time. I've heard mixed reviews. Let's be completely open and honest. I've heard really good things about this book and I've heard really awful things about this book. So I'm really excited to give my own opinion on this one. It is a little bit of a bigger book as well. This one is 485 pages. I'm regretting it now, but I'm really excited to read this one. And I know that Lucy Score is releasing another book, which is also on my wish list. I always link my Amazon wish list below, by the way. If you want to see kind of what books I'm wanting to read and stuff, then do check that out down below. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to giving this one a read as well. So that is everything. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this sort of slightly different haul kind of idea. Let me know if you would like to see another one next year, because I'm on a book buying ban as of right now. So if you want to see any more of these kinds of videos where I order books on Amazon and just do a massive unboxing, then let me know. I did want to kind of grow this haul to be bigger and bigger. However, it got to a point where I needed to stop ordering books. So I kind of stopped myself, and yeah, so that is all I'm saying with that. I'm not buying any more books. So if you want to see one of these videos again, it will be next year, but let me know down below. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. It would mean the absolute world to me, and I would love to grow my channel to 11,000 subscribers. We are on our way, so if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. And that is everything. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.